Hi everyone. Okay, let's see what progress I've made on my sweater. This pattern is by Crazy Cool Crochet on YouTube. It's a paid for pattern, but she also show you the tutorial, but it's best to get the pattern because then you can adjust it to your size. I purchased this last year and I did make a blue sweater in wool. It turned out really good. And then you guys know my past attempts on the other sweater, which we won't talk about that. So I thought I was going to start with this Care on Kindness in candy pink, but I changed my mind and decided to go with this Care on Kindness in purple. So let me show you the progress that I'm making here. So far, this is where I'm at. And when I get further along, I will make another video. I hope you guys are doing well. Take care. Have a wonderful weekend. And stay safe. Enjoy life. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, this is Shirley, and this is Jamming with Yarn, and another episode of Deliberate Cooking. I'm going to wash my hands real quick, show you what you're looking at, and try to get it done quickly, because you guys know I like quick. That's my problem. Okay, you guys, so I started another one of those packages from, I think I said it wrong, Green Chef. This one is the chicken veggie Thai red curry. Well, I don't have the chicken here, as you can see, so we are just going to do a vegetable curry. And my son, he got double the stuff, so he has all the chicken and plus his vegetables, and I have these vegetables. So in this package, it came with shredded cabbage, shredded carrots, bell pepper that I had to slice. I diced it, roasted red peppers, coconut milk, red curry. Oh, they love the peanuts. I mean, every pack so far has peanuts or some kind of cashew nuts in it. I actually like the ones by Blue Apron. Theirs was good because theirs actually came with the oil and the butter, like a little package of oil, a little package of butter. So you didn't have to, if you did not have oil, like sometimes I don't, and I just, and the other one, I'll show you how my son's look. Used up the rest of my, oh, I forgot I do have oil. I just don't like this particular, it's not the brand, this is a different brand in here. I'll use this one then. I completely forgot all about it because I bought a big olive oil and then I put it in here because I like the spout of that one, but I don't like this oil, the flavor of it. You know what, I'm going to have to research olive oil and get me some good flavorful olive oil. I think it's worth it if you're gonna do some cooking. So here is what it would look like with the meat. It's really simple. I'm gonna put that together for you guys. And before I forget, hello, welcome all my new subscribers, my original lovely jammers. Okay, let's try that for a while. Hello my jammers, I hope you guys are doing well, and I'd like to welcome any new jammers that have came across my channel. Please make sure you subscribe, stay, leave a comment, and always come back. I'm going to tell you on here, I am working on that sweater. I have to do a small video on it. Maybe I will do that tonight or tomorrow. The time is 7:50 and I finished all my classes, I guess, that I had for today. I did a lot of reading, which was so funny. After I read, I just fell asleep in the chair. You okay? So I did that. And what else did I do? I read. Well, you know, I did the basic stuff you do around the house. I think I put all this in together. Yeah. And so, I did that. And tomorrow I have to make some phone calls and get ready to do some work. I am going to try, you guys know that I'm going to try to work a night shift for a couple of days starting next week and see how I like that. You know, I guys know I did that in the past and it was fine. You know, it worked out fine for 2 years, but it somewhat served its purpose for working nighttime, which was basically I couldn't sleep at night after my husband passed away. At the same time, what I really did is prolong my healing because I was avoiding the issue of what really needed to happen was for me to, I'm sorry, you guys can't even see. There we go. Prolonging the issue of trying to heal correctly. So that probably made my healing a little bit longer. So at this point, I am to put, and the reason I cut mine smaller and not into strips like that, because I just don't want all that big bell pepper. I eat a lot of bell pepper since I have been no longer eating meat, and love it. But let me show you, that's so pretty. Look how that looks. I hope there's enough light on it. You know what, I'm missing a light. Overhead light. Hold on, you guys. I don't know if it's going to help or not. Does that help? Okay, I can't really tell. So anyway, that looks very pretty. I'm making it curry, yeah. So add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I need to go to the grocery store. You guys know that's my favorite phrase. I need to go to the grocery store and I don't have it. Oh, have you guys seen how high the prices is? Oh, I want to show you this receipt. Oh my goodness, my son purchased something. Subway. And when I saw that receipt, I just like, okay, yeah, you better off buying these meals here than you are just trying to buy something at a little sandwich shop. Oh, let me see if I can find it. Let's see, hold on, I think it's in here. Look at this. Okay, you guys, look at this. Subway. A 12, can you see that? A 12-inch sandwich salad. And this is all the stuff that's on it. And then a 12-inch Subway club sandwich. Look at that price. You guys see that? That's insane. That is not worth it. And I know we're living in times where things are like that, but come and eat these meals, because if you eat like that very long, unless you're a very rich person, it doesn't bother you. I mean, you're only gonna get these meals here cost about $200, and you get so many of them. If you could only have 8 sandwiches or 8, meals like that, and that's not gonna last you. So I'm putting a little, my little veggie broth, because I'm tired of a little bit of crunchy crunch. Probably gonna make my stuff a little bit more watery than needed, but yeah. There, I put the red peppers in. Okay, so I will be back in a minute. Okay, so we let that cook for a couple of minutes, not overcook. Then you put in This is going to be very easy, you guys. Put in the coconut milk. Open up our curry. Whoops. Oh goodness, that was nothing important. Fell into the sink. Open our curry up. Let that cook for a few minutes. Now, of course, you would have your meat in it. We're gonna let this cook. Okay, you guys, we are ready. This is what our curry looks like. Let me just, I have some rice over here in the rice cooker. And we will move on and eat. So let me just rice in here. Whoops. Dropped it on the floor, some on the floor. I should make a salad with this. I made the best salad the other day, and you guys know I don't like tomatoes, but wow, these tomatoes taste good with that. That might be one of my quick videos that I'll put up. Okay, so let's see. Got the rice here, and my curry. I'm not a curry fan, but I might be, depending on how this tastes. Let's see. Woo. I can try not to get it to, there we go. There's some sauce. A little bit more sauce. Okay, I'm trying to cut down on eating sugar on my rice. I know kids do that, but that's how I've always had it, with butter and sugar. And I'm trying to cut that down as I get older. I think it's affecting me. So here we go with our curry vegetable meal. And yeah, you can add some salad. I could have probably made some kind of seitan or something to go with it, but this is enough for me right now. That's what it looks like. Let's see how it tastes. Presentation looks good. I would give it a, I'll give it an 8. Let's see how it tastes. Here we go. That's good. That really is good. It's not too hot. A little bit of, very little bit of heat. No, it's no heat at all. That's really good, you guys. I like this. That is good. Oh man, I like curry now. The other curries that I've had in the past were really, really hot. And just very spicy. This is not. I like this. I can feel the heat a little bit. Warm, not heat. Like, you know how you feel it in your chest? Satisfying. So I would give this one, out of a 10, I'll give it a 10. Yeah, if you add some other stuff to it, it'd be perfect. So you guys, I see you on the next one. Eat as healthy as you can, as often as you can. You saw the prices of just buying a sandwich. Not worth it. Go buy you some vegetables. There's an app that my daughter showed me that I may put on here. I know it works over here in California, in our area. But you can buy food. It's called Save Meals. You know, save food from going to the garbage. So basically, you are trying to stop all this waste. So the stores, what they do is they'll put up so many surprise packages, and they're, so far the highest I've ever seen was like $5, and you get a variety of items, but then you don't have to throw away those items, and plus you can You can get a few items at a lesser price, especially during the time that we're living in. You have to pick it up at a certain time. But I've had 2 orders. One, I got a bunch of apples. You don't see them. Apples and oranges. I had much more. And then the other day, I went and got from the donut shop. I know. I'm trying. I didn't really eat it. I tasted that one, and it was a whole bunch stuff. And tomorrow I'm going to the bakery to pick up some items and see, how it is. I'm just trying it out, and then I have my son here. He can eat on it too. Talk to you later. I hope that was helpful. I will put the app below. Try it out and see if it works in your area. Until next time, do something for yourself, and if you can do something for somebody else, try. Bye-bye. Okay, you guys, I am on my way to pick up one of these orders from off this app, and I will show you what it looked like when I come back. I'm running late, so I don't know what happened when you run late, but I will definitely, if I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. It was like only $3.99, which is money in these days, or any day. But sorry, I have no makeup on, no nothing on. See you in a minute. Okay, you guys, I have my order. I just picked it up. Let me show you that's what it is. Okay, and that was, I'll tell you what the price is.